Hey, what's up, everybody? Just taking a quick look. The aftermath of the blizzard of 2017. I'm gonna do this live here. Well, I do believe it was finally classified as a blizzard here in Rhode Island. I know that it was in Massachusetts. Personally, I'm a New Englander, so I'm never too distraught when we get this. I actually look forward to it sometime because it just doesn't seem right to have winter in New England without at least one or two of these type of storms. So just wanted to, record it, you know, archive this day. And now the cleanup begins. As you can see here, just started. Neighbors seem to all be on it. Nydia, my fiance, she's usually the first one with the house clean. So it's kind of rare that it's taking this long before we get started. But that's what I'm out here to do right now. I'll holler back.